Hello, kids. You've done a great job so far with this book, Miss Daisy is Crazy. It's the first book in the My Weird School series by Dan Gutman, and we've done several days in a row reading this book and talking about this book, and you've done a great job, and I'm here to finish it out for you. We've got one chapter left, so I hope you enjoy Chapter 12, Poor Miss Daisy. Monday at school we had social studies. Miss Daisy said she was really sorry, but she didn't know anything at all about social studies and that we would have to help her. I don't even know the name of the first president of the United States, she told us. You don't? We all said. I haven't a clue. It was George Washington, we all shouted. Really? Miss Daisy said with a wink. Never heard of him. I was beginning to suspect that Miss Daisy might have been just pretending that she didn't know anything all along. One day I caught her looking at a piece of paper and her eyes were moving back and forth like she was watching a ping pong game. Hey, you're reading, I said. I am not, she insisted. You know I can't read. Then how come your eyes are moving back and forth like you're watching a ping pong game? I I was just thinking about this great ping pong game I saw once, she replied. It was great. You should have been there. Maybe she was joking, and maybe she wasn't. You can never tell with crazy Miss Daisy. If it turns out that Miss Daisy really doesn't know anything, I feel a little sorry for her. The kids in our school had read 1,000,000 pages, and she couldn't read one page. The kids in our class knew how to spell and do arithmetic and social studies. She hardly knew anything at all. Don't feel bad, Miss Daisy, I told her. We'll teach you reading, writing, and arithmetic, and we won't tell Principal Klutz how dumb you are. She gave me a big hug. It will be hard. It will be hard work teaching Miss Daisy everything that she doesn't know. I think that by the end of the year, if the whole class works together, we just might bring her up to second grade level. But it won't be easy. So that's the end of the book. We've got a little feature at the end of this book about the author and the illustrator. It says Dan Gutman has written many weird books for kids. Dan lives in New Jersey, a very weird place, with his weird wife and two weird children. You can visit him on his weird website at www.dangutman.com. Jim Peo is a talented but weird illustrator who lives in Arizona. He also has a weird wife and two weird children. Isn't that weird? You can visit him on his weird website at www.jimpeo.com. Visit www.authortracker.com for exclusive information on your favorite HarperCollins authors. Well, we did it. We got through another book together. I'm so proud of you guys, and I hope that you enjoy your reading time on these two asynchronous days and read some really great books, and maybe we can share about them next week. Have fun!